Starting a profitable business and making money online is easier these days than ever before, but there is one thing that holds so many people back from ever getting started, and that is money. You start a business when you have $0 to get started. So many businesses require costly investments up front for purchasing products, buying memberships, paying for subscriptions on platforms to even set up your shop. Today I want to tell you 5 profitable business ideas that you can start with $0. Get into what exactly those businesses are. I want to let you know that there are a few non-negotiables here. There are a few things that you must be 100% invested in order to actually make any business successful. Number 1 is that it's going to take hard work, dedication, and consistency. This means that once you get your business set up and running, there is no sleeping on the job. There is no lying around. You must get to work on driving traffic to your business. So you must invest time in free marketing methods, such as utilizing platforms which allow you to reach large audiences for free, such as TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. Yes, in the future you can get to a point where you're working less and no longer trading your exact time for money, but in the beginning stages of starting a business, hard work and consistency is key. And number 3, you will need to set up your business legally and also plan smartly for your self-employed income taxes. The first profitable business idea that you can start for $0 is something that many influencers and YouTubers are talking about, but few are telling how to do it for free, which is drop shipping. Popular YouTubers are sharing their stats and showing that they are raking in over 6 figures in drop shipping, but most are utilizing paid platforms in order to set up their store. To do this for free, you can utilize Big Cartel to create a free online store. Next, search TikTok for the hashtag TikTok made me buy it or similar related hashtags to get popular product ideas that are trending. Then locate the product on AliExpress. Make sure that you look for the product ship times to ensure that you are choosing a product that will actually arrive to your customers within a reasonable amount of time, because many will not. Next, create a TikTok account for your business and post at least one brief under 10-second video per day featuring the product. With using this free startup, you will be able to start for $0 and will need to manually place the orders with AliExpress to ship to your customers once they place their order with you, so it's not going to be fully automated. So you will likely want to migrate over to using a paid platform such as Shopify or Wix later on, but this method will allow you to start for free right away. The next profitable business idea that you can start for $0 is teaching on OutSchool. OutSchool is a platform which allows anyone to teach what they know to students. There are classes for everything, including making pretend treasure maps, art projects, coding, cooking, and much more. If a child or parent may be interested in your class, you can teach it. There are no credentials necessary, and many OutSchool teachers make 6 figures with popular courses. As the platform draws in its own target customers, you have access to ready-to-book customers with little to no marketing, as long as you create an appealing course with a good description, visually appealing thumbnails, and focus on the subject or skill that you can teach well. So how much are teachers potentially earning on OutSchool? Well, because there's a variety of different classes and each teacher sets the rate for their own class, I'm going to pull up one and calculate it out for example. So let's calculate out this ballet workshop and see what this instructor is earning. They are charging $80 total for a series of 4 classes, which equals $20 per class per learner. This class has a maximum amount of 14 students per class, so let's multiply this times 10 just in case there were a small amount of students enrolled. So 20 times 10 is going to equal $200. Now, OutSchool charges a 30% fee, so this instructor actually only takes home 70% of that $200. So if this instructor was able to book 10 students at $20 per student, then their take-home pay here would be $140. Their class length is 55 minutes. So before taxes and deducting any of your expenses, this would be an hourly rate of $140. The next business idea is becoming a freelance writer. Creating articles on Medium is free. You do not need a paid subscription, and once you have 100 subscribers, you are able to enter the Medium Partner Program, which will result in being paid each time someone reads your article. Once you have built up a collection of articles, Medium will begin to track your niche and suggest your content to more readers. To get your work in front of more viewers, you'll want to submit articles to publications on the Medium platform in order to get more exposure. Creating consistent, niched down, frequent content here is going to be key. Now, the next profitable business idea that you can start for $0 is publishing low-content books such as journals, workbooks, and planners on Kindle Direct Publishing. Publishers who create a large library of low-content books for sale can earn six-figure incomes if they devote enough time to creating a large variety of books available for purchase. Set up a free membership with Canva in order to quickly design your book covers and use their free design elements. As long as you are creating your own design with those elements or changing the original slightly, then it is completely free to sell products using Canva's elements according to their terms of use. Set up a free trial account with BookBolt and create and download your interior pages in various sizes. Next, create a free account on Kindle Direct Publishing, otherwise known as KDP, which is Amazon's in-house publishing company, and publish your books. It is free to publish on KDP, and you will even receive a ISBN number completely free. A last profitable business idea that you can start is selling digital downloads on Etsy. There's a wide variety in terms of what type of digital downloads you may want to sell and create. Many customers are looking for a product that they can download and print themselves in order to save money, such as wall prints, planners, or even table numbers for events, etc. Many are looking for downloadable templates that they can customize for things such as social media content, business documents such as invoices, marketing materials, or informative guides. And others may be looking for educational materials such as homeschooling materials, art projects, and more. The variety here is endless. Now, listing on Etsy isn't exactly 100% free. I'm including this in the free business ideas to start, but Etsy does charge you a very small 20-cent fee to create the listing. So this one is not quite $0, but almost $0. This shop has had over 200,000 sales, and if I scroll down to the bottom of their sales, I can see that their first review was left in 2014. So if the shop has had a total of roughly 201,000 total sales, and their average product price is $4 per digital download, that means that the shop in total has taken in a gross amount of sales in the amount of $804,000. Now, if the shop has been around for 7 years, that means that on average each year they made $114,000 in gross sales. Lastly, I want to show you a shop that has only been around for 1 year. You can see their total number of sales here, and they are creating wedding-related products, and this is a save-the-date template. Now, this shop has only been around for 1 year, and in 1 year they have had roughly 152,000 sales times an average product price of about $4. That means that in 1 year, their gross sales has been $608,000. If you need to design or format your product, use a free account on Canva in order to create the guide, the template, the PDF, or whatever it is that you are creating. You can also utilize Canva in order to create mock-ups showing the product in different ways in order to make the product more appealing and clickable on Etsy. You fees once you make the sale, but listing your product on Etsy will allow you to reach more buyers who are already searching on the platform and is a bit easier to access a wider customer base than simply starting on your own website where no traffic is being driven. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please view the links in the video description down below. Click like.